Hello friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss our second question. What is that? They are given two triangles joined together. So here ABC and ACD. So here what they are given conditions, what we have to prove here. So by using of Thales theorems and converse of Thales theorem, in this chapter we are going to discuss our questions. So here what is that? LM is parallel to CB. So they are given that LM is parallel to CB. So let's going to write it parallel symbol, and here LN is parallel to CD. So LN is parallel to CD. So they are given two sides are parallel to each other. So let's going to write what they are given. So given conditions, given that LM is parallel to CB and LN is parallel to CD. So that is a condition, and what we have to prove here, the proof is AM by AB will be equal to AN by AD. So AN by AD. So based on this conditions, we are going to prove. So what is the proof? So proof will be required to prove is, so required to prove that is AM by AB will be equal to AN by AD. So this is the proof we have to show here. So what is the Thales theorem? So in Thales theorem, any line drawn to the parallel to the third side, any line in a given triangle, let's going to take ABC triangle. In that we are drawn that LM line which is parallel to the third side, that is BC. So that line divides remaining two sides into two equal ratios. Now what we have to write it, so this remaining sides will be divided into two equal ratios. So now what is the proof? By using of Thales theorem, by Thales theorem, so what you can write by Thales theorem, what you can write it here is by Thales theorem. So here AM by AB will be equal to, in triangle, AL by AC. So in triangle such a way that in triangle ABC, let's going to take this is equation 1. Now what is that? Next one. So in triangle ACD, by using of same Thales theorem, what is that? AL by AC will be equal to AN by AD. Take 2, that is equation 2. So according to equation 1 and 2, what you can write it here from 1 and 2, what you can write here is from 1 and 2. So AM by AB will be equal to AL by AC, that will be equal to AN by AD. So from since what you can write, AM by AB will be equal to AN by AD, hence proved. So what you can write, hence proved. So this is the way to, this is very simple. First we have to understand what is the concept of Thales theorem and what is the concept of converse of Thales theorem. By using of both, you can calculate easily similar triangles. First of all, you have to understand what is the concept and how to approach with the problem. So here given assumption will be like triangles. Based on that, what is the mid side and what is the corresponding angles. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.